welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're having a great day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings and makeup hauls. We do everything here from beauty and lifestyle, jewelry, home decor, pets, and snacks. So if you enjoy that type of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you. And guys, please do give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy. It does help me out. As you can see, today we have a new subscription to our channel, and that is MySecretSnacks. So it is a snack subscription. Yay, yummy. I have a 9-year-old son and a husband. So snacks fly off the shelf pretty fast here at my house. So anytime we can find a subscription that has yummy snacks, they are both very, very happy. So this again is MySecretSnacks. I will put a link to their website down below along with pricing information. So when we open the box, it comes just kind of in like a plain white box with their sticker and logo. We see yummy, recognizable snacks. So it says, receive a monthly box of secret snacks just for you. Great tasting snacks delivered to you. Everybody loves a snack. MySecretSnacks will send you a box with 14 to 20 individual snack items ready to enjoy. MySecretSnacks selects a mix of all your favorites as well as some new snacks delivered monthly to your door. Happy snacking. So, like I said, I will put a link to their website and pricing down below, but let's get in here and see what we got in this box. So the first thing I see, I recognize the brand, but I don't know that I've ever seen this flavor, but it is Ruffles potato chips and queso cheese, which is probably going to be really good. So I may have to hide those. I don't know. Then we have some nacho cheese Doritos. Now, Christopher, these are his. I'm going to tell you. He's going to steal these. We have some of the crunchy Cheetos. This may go to my husband. I like to try and figure out or guess who's going to steal what. And then we have some, the dips in the chip. Original salsitas. I don't know if I've ever heard this. Spicy salsa flavored tortilla rounds. Those actually sound really good. I might have to steal these. So we have those. And then we have some chili cheese Fritos. Husband will probably definitely take those. We have some mini chocolate chips. These are the Grandma's brand. These are so good. So yummy. We have some Kellogg's cherry fruit snacks. And these are actually really good. When Christopher was younger and he liked fruit snacks, this was actually what I would get. These are so good. So good. We have a Pop-Tart, one strawberry Pop-Tart. So that's great for Christopher, like on mornings where we're rushing a little bit. Hey, grab that. And then from, I've never seen this. This is from Sun-Maid, like the raisins, and it's bite-sized premium cookies, oatmeal raisin apple. Those sound so good. These are probably gonna be mine. And then we have, now I've never seen this. This is organic. Justin's 2 milk chocolate peanut butter cups. So kind of like Reese's, but they're organic. My husband loves Reese's, but he's that guy that if he sees organic, he's like, what is that? What's wrong with it? Nothing's wrong with it. It's just organic. It's actually better for you. Just eat it. He's a weird one. It looks like we got another one of the mini chocolate chip grandma cookies. And then we've got, these are so good, the Nature's Bakery Fig Bar. This is the raspberry. And we also got blueberry. Those are so yummy. Oh, these are my favorite. Oh, these are my favorite. This is the Keebler Soft Batch Chocolate Chip Cookies. Y'all, I love those so much. Literally, that is like my favorite snack. Like, aside from like chips and stuff, when it comes to something sweet, this is my favorite. Because I do prefer like trail mix, peanuts, tortilla type chips, things like that. But like I said, when it comes to a sweet snack, that is my go-to. I love those so much. All right, and then we have a big Rice Krispie treat. This is chocolatey chip. And then we have a pack of 6 Oreos. So they definitely have it covered as far as savory, crunchy, chewy, soft, sweet, a little bit of healthy mixed in. That's fantastic. And then we have Nature's Garden. This is the Omega-3 Deluxe Mix. I definitely see some pecans, almonds, walnuts, and maybe some dried cranberries. So that's something that I will eat. My husband will not eat this because it's healthy, unfortunately. Oh, and then we have some sweet tarts, some mini chewy sweet tarts. Yes. Oh, and then we have some Dove dark chocolate. It's the bar. And believe it or not, I love this, but I will give this to Christopher because he actually loves dark chocolate. He prefers dark chocolate over regular chocolate. So I'll be nice. I'll be that nice mom and give him this. Then we have some Airhead Bites. Now, funny story, I actually found some of these in our grocery store and they were marked down. It was like a big bag of them and they had a bunch of them in like a little buggy or cart sitting in the store, and I picked some up because they were like 75 cents a bag. And my husband loved them. He was like, where are these from? And I'm like, I got them at the grocery store. He's like, and they were on sale? I'm like, yeah, they were marked down. They were on clearance. Oh, did you get them all? I'm like, no. He's like, well, we got to go back and get more. I'm like, all right, calm down. All right, and then our final snack we have is an original Slim Jim right here. Now this, I love these. My husband loves these. So I don't know who'll get it. I guess whoever gets to it first. So I think this is actually really good, y'all. I mean, we have like legit candy, Slim Jim. Love that. We have a Pop-Tart, we have cookies, we have chips, we have fruit snacks, we have trail mix. I really think this was really good. Like, and I love that, you know, again, it has that variety of, you know, not so good for you, good for you. But also, I like that it has snacks that we know. You know, everybody knows Doritos. And then it has snacks like this that not everyone may know. I've not seen these before, but it may because it's not something that's available in North Carolina. So maybe plenty of you have seen it, but I haven't. So for me, I really like that. And then I like that we get something that we do know, just in a different flavor than we've seen. So I do think the variety here is really, really good. I just thought this was a great box. This is going to be fun. Deciding who gets what. So like I said, I will put a link to SecretSnacks down below and their pricing information. Let me know what you guys thought. I thought this seriously was one of the best snack boxes I've opened. I love all the different snacks. And again, just, you know, we have chips and cookies and candy and Slim Jims and trail mix. So I really, really like this. So yeah, I said so about 18 times. I apologize. Let me know again your thoughts down below. I love hearing from you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day today, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.